Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to take a look at how to turn a simple prompt into a full web app with a database. We'll go through the workflow from writing the prompt to connecting with AI and finally turning it into something that users can interact with. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button if you're new here, and let's jump right into it. Step number 1, start with the prompt. It all begins with the prompt, which is the instruction you give to the AI. It could be anything from summarize this text to create a product description or even answer a question like a tutor. The key is to make your prompt clear and specific because that will determine what your app can do. Think of it as the foundation, the spark that powers the whole experience. Step number 2, connect to AI. Once you have your prompt, the next step is connecting your app to an AI service. You'll need a special key that acts like your personal pass. Each time your app sends a request, it includes the prompt and the key. The AI processes that request and sends back a response. This exchange is what brings your prompt to life and turns it into usable results. Step number 3, build the logic. Now it's time to add the logic, the invisible layer that runs behind the scenes. This part receives input from your users, sends it to the AI, and delivers the results back. It also handles important things like keeping your key hidden and making sure the app doesn't break if something goes wrong. Think of it as the engine room that keeps everything running smoothly. Step number 4, create the experience. Next, you design the part that users actually see. This could be a simple box where they type in their request or a chat-style interface where they talk to the AI. When someone submits their input, it's passed through the engine room. The AI responds and the result appears right in front of them. This is where users get to feel the power of the AI in action. Step number 5, put it all together. Here's the complete workflow. A user writes a prompt, your app sends it to the AI. The AI responds and the app delivers the result back to the user. Every time this cycle repeats, your app becomes a gateway between people and powerful AI capabilities. With this workflow, you can create anything from chat assistants to summarizers, content creators, or idea generators. And that's it. You just turned a simple prompt into a full web app workflow. Here's a quick summary of what we've learned today. Turning a prompt into a web app involves 5 key steps. Starting with a clear and specific prompt, connecting to an AI service with your unique key, building logic to handle user input and responses, creating a user-friendly interface, and putting it all together. By following these steps, you can create powerful AI-driven applications that make complex processes easy and efficient. And remember, this is just the beginning. As AI technology continues to evolve, there are endless possibilities for what you can create. With a little imagination and know-how, you can harness the power of AI to solve real-world problems and make a real impact. So keep learning, keep experimenting, and who knows what you might build next. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Feel free to reach out with any questions or comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.